Good morning guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. You join me today on a rather brisk Sunday morning at Southampton Airport Parkway Station because today we're heading into London Waterloo for the INSANE Supercar meet. Now it's going to be pretty damn cold. I'm in my new merch in case you guys haven't noticed, and I've lost the beard so I might look a bit different and I may have the freshest merch in the game, sorry Logan Paul. But that's the point, we're going to London, we're going to see some supercars, and it should be rather good. But I am on about 4 hours sleep, so me opening the vlogs in a bit of a tired state seems to be the norm from now. But anyway, let's get to London, get some shots of the supercars, and have a good day in general. So this probably looks like a bit of an odd strange event, but we're no longer in the train because it got delayed, which is fantastic. So thank you so much South West Trains, always reliable, absolutely love them. But my mum came to pick me up and the plan is, I've looked at how long it's going to take to get there by car and it was actually quicker than it would be to sit on the train. And before the train started moving they said expect further delays after an hour sat on the train. So I was like, it would literally be quicker for me to insure myself in mum's car for a couple of hours and drive up there. So at the moment mum's driving, we get into the first services, we can fill up with petrol and then I will continue because I don't want to make her drive for 3 hours on a Sunday because that'd be a bit mean. Guys, I think we're going to the wrong car meet because by the looks of it there's a really sick mini convoy going by. Check these out. There's like 20 of them in a row and there are a couple on the hard shoulder as well, which is pretty damn cool. I mean, personally I think I feel like I was going to die on the M3 in a mini like that, but I mean if being near to death is your thing, definitely check out the minis. So believe it or not, I've actually made it. Mum's now driving the car home herself. I've got to say the little Swift is a better drive than I actually anticipated it would be because that is the first time I've driven the car. Now there's a fair few nice cars around it I've already spotted, including a Huracan, an Aventador SV I think it was. There was also a Ferrari 488 and just a load of other random stuff, a really cool old TVR with like a pearlescent paint job. So hopefully we can find some more exciting cars and see what is going on because I want to see the unveiling of that Lamborghini Urus. I'm afraid the music might ruin the copyright, but I've got to go around, walk around for all the cars we have here. So we have an Aventador with an IPE exhaust in a chrome bronze wrap, which is awesome. I think that's Tony's Huracan Performante, lovely green colour. Another Huracan Performante in Verde Mantis. No idea what the yellow colour's called. And that blue, I think that might be blue Cephas, but that is a lovely coloured Aventador over there as well. We're in the actual workshop where HRO fixes the cars. Believe it or not, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Veyrons all lined up. Some with covers on, some without. But how epic is that? 6 Veyrons all sat within the same space. For any of you that are unfamiliar with the Veyron, which I highly doubt, you're talking a W16, that is a 16-cylinder quad turbocharged engine. Most of these will be producing about 1001 horsepower, which is again insane. And of course this thing held the top speed record for any road legal car from I think about like 2000 and whenever to about last year when both the Koenigsegg beat it with the Agera RS. But nonetheless, for the time and even now, this is a real feat of engineering. Now the amount of radiators in these things, if you've ever watched the Bugatti documentary, just if you haven't watched it, watch it because it is insane. And the amount of engineering work that goes into producing one of these is absolutely next level, and I'd highly recommend watching the documentary. But seeing 6 of them in one location like this, when these are worth it definitely in excess of 1 million a piece, is just a sight to behold. The main reason we're all here is the unveiling of the new Lamborghini Urus. Now of course this is a bit of a statement piece because it is the first ever super SUV is what they're calling it, but not only that, Lamborghini is their first car that they produced that isn't a supercar or a sports car if you will. It's actually an SUV, as you can see by the size of it. Now this thing has a V8, it is dual turbocharged I believe, it produces 650 brake horsepower, making it the most powerful SUV there is. Base price I think is around £180,000, which is ridiculous, but not only that, it has different mode selects, so you can actually select whether you want to be on sand, rain, off-road, course, street, or strata mode. I think there's like 6 different modes to select from, so I'm sure it's very customizable, and this is an absolutely gorgeous spec with 23-inch rims on it. Puffermanti, 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 and we also have another 2 Puffermantis over here, so that totals like 10 Puffermantis I think, which is far too many, but I could do with that. I could do with 10 Puffermantis, that'd be quite a good day. We are joined by Mr. Sturgeon, who looks great this morning after going to a... What did you go to?
Zomboy and Eptic gig.
Zomboy and Eptic gig. That sounds hideous. And how many hours sleep have you had? I've had 3, so I'm 1 up on him, so I haven't slept at all. But he was willing to wake up just for the fact there were 6 Bugatti stacks next to each other, and he hasn't even seen them yet.
6 Bugattis.
6 Bugattis! Totally just about to leave because there's like nothing else I can say about the cars here, but I've missed this P1 that's apparently been here for like half an hour, so well, let's go over this spec. The P1 is sort of the McLaren member of the Holy Trinity. People argue the last sort of the primary member, but I really like the P1. Of course, this is a hybrid system, so it's basically a Toyota Prius. It's such a nice spec as well. White and blue, like that baby blue colour, is sort of how I think I'd spec a car if I had oodles of money. It's quite subtle, but still flexes. Like it's a gorgeous car. Look at the size, that adaptive aero at the back, that wing. Absolutely sick. And that is literally sat on the rubber as well. That is slammed to the ground. That was sick. James is obviously rocking the Ed Croucher merch. If you like the merch, tough. I haven't got a website set up yet, so you can, I guess you can business email me if you really want a hat, but other than that, haven't got a website set up yet. That is a meaty C63. To sum things up, that was absolutely sick. Thank you so much to HR Owen for hosting this. That was absolutely mental. Carrera GT, 6 Veyrons, over 10 Huracan Puffermantis. You know, the Aventadors, that one with the IP exhaust that literally nearly blew my only remaining eardrum out. That was awesome. Mate, honestly, the cars here today have been absolutely sick. Saw Yanamai, saw Lenny the Geezer, and of course, Tony from Gravelwood Cars. His Puffermanti is a 6 spec, although I think if I could afford a Puffermanti, I would definitely go for Viola Pacife with the Verde Mantis contrast colours, because that looks so damn good. But in the meantime, we need to get some food, and I think James himself is pretty dapper in the Ed Croucher merch. Look at that. I figured back where we started was an adequate enough place to round out the vlog. But anyway guys, the fact that we saw 6 Veyrons, over 10 Huracan Puffermantis, I think around that number anyway, in addition to the Aventador S's with the aftermarket exhausts, I think that was a pretty successful car vlog. If you guys enjoyed the video, please remember to hit the thumbs up button, comment, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys very soon with more awesome stuff. Also, if you want hats, website still isn't set up yet, so unfortunately, DM me and I might be able to get you a hat, but other than that, you're not having a hat. I'll see you guys very soon with more awesome content. Subscribe and stay tuned.